Hi folks, this is Roger Duffy with MarineMax Sail and Ski. Come join me on a walkthrough here. Should be informative and fun. SLX 400, easy to park with joystick steering. And we're in the slip, just like that. These boats have a wide open cockpit. They don't call it the entertainer for no reason. It's great for entertaining friends and family. Not too many times you see a full open bow area in a 40-foot boat. You seat probably 6 or 8 people just up here. See, this one has the remote spotlight. There's your anchor. Sprayer right here. Access to the windlass. Notice the armrests built into the seating up here. Side platform scoots down. Makes a big platform on the side of the boat. Rear seating area has an adjustable backrest. That can give you 2 different ways to lounge. This one's also equipped with sea deck on the swim platform, and it does have the hydraulic swim platform that lowers into the water to make a great swim step. There's a huge storage locker right here that's actually big enough to hold a stand-up paddleboard. Motor compartment looks great. This one has the twin 430 horse 8.2s. Electric engine hatch. Another big storage locker here that looks like it drains. Walking starboard side. Super clean. Got a little tiny scuff in the rub rail up here. Nothing on the gel coat. Raymarine Quantum radar. Even though the SLX 400 is a day boat, it does have an air-conditioned cabin that could give you comfortable sleeping for 4 people. This table breaks down and makes a bed. And then you have an aft berth, a mid berth here that will sleep 2 people very comfortably. Got a good size head with sink, and there's an air conditioning vent in here. And a TV with Bose surround sound. Thanks for joining us today. I hope it's been informative. If you need any information on this boat or any others, please contact me or any of the other associates here at our 3 locations, Austin, San Antonio, and Lakeway. See you on the water.